You know, a lot of work on vintage classic vehicles has to do with fixing up the interiors. And if you're going to be doing a lot of work like that, you got to come back to your roots sometimes, which is fixing and repairing, restoring furniture. This is a really nice leather mission style sofa. Leather has a lot of good patina on it. And the structure underneath failed after 20 years of service. The dowels and glue on these bows failed finally. This is where this piece broke off. It used to be like that. So, just slowly take things apart, reverse engineer how it was put together at the factory, and instead of this plywood for the front support beam, I'm going to be switching to this piece of red oak. So I'm going to cut it down to size, put it on, glue it and screw it, and the couch should last another 20 years.